Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and well, I would say Windows 10 users beware. If you are on Windows 10 and are eligible for a Windows 11 upgrade, but you decided to stay on Windows 10 because you're not interested or don't want to, some users are starting to report that a full screen Windows 11 ad like this shows up on some machines. So you might actually see here, and it says now unlocked. You're eligible for the free upgrade to Windows 11. Now, look at the answers. Got it? Or, schedule D. Get it or schedule it. So it's not, I don't want it. It's get it or schedule it, which means you can get it now or you can schedule when you want to get it, which is not a I don't want it. So you got to be very careful. If this shows up on your Windows 10 computer, it will look like this. Look at the bottom left. You've got to click Keep Windows 10. So just make sure that you notice that you tell everybody on Windows 10 that you don't want them to move to Windows 11 for some reason, that might show up, and that there is a Keep Windows 10. But look how small it is. I mean, you've got this big screen and you've got these big buttons here, and I find it sad that they don't just get it, and they should here have Keep Windows 10 as big as the rest, but they're not. So people that don't really look at the screen are like, well, okay, so I got to get it now. I'm forced to move on. It looks like it, but no. Remember, bottom left, Keep Windows 10. That is something that you'll have to do. So this is the way that it works. It's really, really, nagging users in Windows 10 now to move on to Windows 11 and trying to push everybody there. I guess they find that the upgrade pace might not be fast enough. So they did that. Of course, if you guys remember, there were some of these pop-ups of all sorts of things that happened over time that people were annoyed. And one in Windows 7 also for Windows 10, I believe, and so on. It's the way that Microsoft wants to try to move you ahead into a new system. So if this shows up, well, don't forget, if you're not ready to move on, simply look at the bottom left. You will see Keep Windows 10. Click on that, and you'll be able to stay on Windows 10 without anything changed. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.